we've got these two bolts, and we've got a little set bolt that's going to go in to hold that tube from rocking around. And gonna fight with that a little bit because it's new and it's not quite where the old one was. It's gotta go. There we go. Okay, 12 millimeter. Guess I better put the 12 millimeter on. There we go. There we go. All right, so that's the crankcase ventilation tube. That's in there now. So now the next one is going to be the crossover that goes to the air compressor intake, and that'll come around, come right over here, and it'll go into these two boss points there. So I'll run and get that and get that installed. Be right back. All right, so the crossover tube that's here is for the air compressor, and unlike a lot of truck engines that pull their air from the air compressor from the intake manifold, this one pulls it from the filtered air out of the air filter housing. But it goes down into here and plugs into the top of the valve cover. Sorry, not the valve cover, the air compressor. Plug that in there. Okay. And then over there, we've got two bolts. One's a replacement bolt and one's a stock. 16 and 14, or 16 and 13. So that one we'll put back there. And one here. Come on. Okay. So that should be, let's see if it's a 13 or 14. 14. So 12. And then 16 for the back one. And then a 7 millimeter for the clamp over on this side. Okay. Then, all right, so that tube is in. So now we'll move over to the EGR tube. So I'm going to take this O-ring that I rescued earlier, and I'm going to just wipe the carbon buildup off of it. I'm not going to lubricate it or anything like that. Just get the carbon buildup, and then that sits down into that spot right there. Make sure it's in the groove all the way around. You don't want to pinch that, or you'll have EGR gases everywhere. Go where they belong. All right, so this is your differential pressure switch. It could, yeah, it might be a DPS, a sensor. So it's monitored, telling the computer that we've got EGR gases going through here at a certain level that is different from where the venturi is. So, all right, so we want to make sure that we don't damage that. Get that around that spot. Put it right over where that O-ring's at, but first and most, got it in here and set there. All right, that's a 10 millimeter. we've got a V-clamp down here that goes over that. And I'm going to go to the other side. That'll use a 5mm hex, which I've got up here. Alright. And I'll be right back. I'm going to change that bar, that steering. It's got a little bit too much give in that. Okay. So on this V-clamp, I'm going to pinch it together and lock the bolt, loosen the bolt up a little bit, and it will get into the clamp.